how to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so if you want to fix this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open your Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Instagram and then click on this update option to update it into the latest version. And second thing you want to do is open the settings, open the apps manager on your phone, wait a few seconds, and then you have to scroll like this, click on Instagram, and now here on this page click on notifications management and make sure to enable all the notifications. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.